Hi, my name is Colin Ratliff. Today I'll be talking to you all about the renewable energy source of wind. I'll be going over the advantages and the disadvantages of this energy source. In today's world, fossil fuels are on top of the used sources of energy. In 2018, the International Energy Agency reported that 81.2% of the world's total energy supply was powered by coal, oil, and natural gas. The remaining 18.8% is made up of renewable sources, with wind power being a part of 2.1% of other renewable sources. Wind power is an efficient source of energy. In 2017, the International Renewable Energy Agency published a report stating that wind power is one of the cheapest sources. Wind power has received mixed reviews from the public. This criticism has slowed down the process of moving on from non-renewable sources. The longer we allow companies to exploit the earth, the shorter time we will have on the earth. How do you harness wind power, though? You may ask yourself. Well, in January 2010, The Independent, a London newspaper, published an article by Steve Connor explaining the science behind this wind power. Connor states that wind farms generate electricity by capturing the kinetic energy of moving air. The three blades of the turbines turn on horizontal axes, and the wind and the movement of this drive shaft spins an electricity generator. This power is then fed into a national grid. Where do you find the wind farms, though? According to the June 2020 article by Stanley Reed, published by the New York Times, you will find most wind farms off the shores of Britain, Germany, Denmark, and China. What are the costs of the turbines? The cost of these commercial scale wind turbines varies by the size of the turbine. These prices range from $1.3 million to $2.2 million. According to the Windustry.org article, these costs are far better than the cost of oil rigs. In February 2020, the Investopedia published an article by Nick Leotis, where he states the average cost for types of oil rigs can vary widely, ranging from $20 million to as high as $1 billion. Converting to wind power can bring many benefits to the environment and to the people. In July 2016, the Vermont newspaper, the Burlington Free Press, published an article which states, wind power reduces greenhouse gas emissions, it lowers electricity costs, and develops a more sustainable and renewable energy. On the website of the Office of Energy Efficiency and Renewable Energy, it says wind power creates new jobs. The U.S. wind sector employs more than 100,000 workers, and wind turbine technicians is one of the fastest growing American jobs. While wind power does have advantages, it also has disadvantages. In September 2009, a Milwaukee, Wisconsin newspaper, the Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel, published an article by Thomas Content. The article states that property values have fallen by at least 19% for sales of land near the We Energy wind farm. Wind farms have also been found to be a danger to animals, specifically birds. Going back to the offices of energy efficiency and renewable energy, they have said that turbines might cause a noise and aesthetic pollution. As I mentioned before, 81.2% of the world's total energy supply is currently powered by coal, oil, and natural gas, all these being non-renewable sources. When these sources are fully depleted, we will have to convert to alternative sources of energy. Wind power is one of the greatest options for all of us. The only problem is, will we weigh our disadvantages over our advantages? Well, we'll just have to wait and see. Thank you for attending my informative speech, and y'all have a nice day.